Hello, I'm Anna Pollard, Technology and Art Instructor for MyFunScience. Welcome to Computer Science and Programming. This year-long course introduces students to the core ideas behind how computers work, how software is created, and how computing shapes the world around us. Students learn the fundamentals of programming using Python, one of the most widely used languages today. They start with the basics, like variables, data types, and functions, and gradually move to control structures and problem solving through code. Throughout the course, students apply algorithms and abstraction to design original programs and solve real-world challenges. They also explore how data is collected, represented, and analyzed, and how those processes drive decisions in technology, business, and science. Beyond coding, students investigate how the internet, networks, and cybersecurity impact our digital lives, and they examine the global, social, and ethical implications of computing innovations. No prior coding experience is required. This course is designed to support beginners while still challenging students to think critically and creatively. By the end of the course, students will have a strong foundation in computer science and programming, preparing them for future studies in web development, data science, engineering, and other technology-focused fields. Thank you for watching this video and hope to see you in class soon. Have a blessed day.